Bonsoir, bonjour tout le monde. Comment nous y? Jodi a moi venu pour montrer nous une vidéo Blazone avec Haitian Fresh. Pas oublier abonner avec channel là. Juste écrit critique, musique et puis la monter et puis n'a abonner. Mais c'est très simple comme ça. On va y comme ça que dire. Abonner avec channel là. On allait dans la vidéo tout droit pour ne pas perdre du temps.
Alright, last thing I'm gonna do is just get y'all on like a little B-roll.
Yeah.
No, not yet. I gotta go get it.
Through the
Follow
the
me.
number one director in the world.
That's WEUPTHRUDE.
Number one director in the world. We done here? So dis-moi yon ba avant aller dans l'autre scene la place. Man, I'm with Artist of the year, artist of the century. Me palo, baba. Say something to the fans before we go. Zoe. Say Vete. Man, I'm with Man of football. Vino, baby. Nous presque fini.
Nah, that's gonna be the last scene. Next scene, I just gotta get y'all to like some more.
Hey Stevie, what sobre manger? She wants seafood. Sobre manger. So who voulez manger seafood, please? Huh? Hey, you only eat seafood, right? You don't eat none of that other shit. Yeah. So ça nous voulez. What y'all want? Turkey, whatever. Something. Nigga, you eat meat. We eat Haitian food all the time. No more? You done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Wait, can we get some? What's the Google? Friend, what's the best seafood place? Just Google it. Just Google it. You a Haitian? Zoe? Hey, the closest Haitian restaurant. Yeah. He don't eat pork. Hey, just pop up not parler. Just act like y'all just talking.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
Prends un minute. Mais anglais dans boudon. Ils ont crasé l'anglais là. I need some money. Blaze, dis moins besoin sous ça. Dis. Yeah, dis moins besoin sous ça. Yeah. No, you say my ball on sous-side.
My ball on sous-side.
Man, I'm Budo. Yeah.
What do you mean?
It means like you appreciate him. You appreciate he's a good person. Yeah, dis my ball on sous-side.
My ball on sous-side.
Man, I'm Budo. Yeah. No, that's not what it is. No. Blaze killing that English. Speaking Dutch for him. She's killing that shit.
No, it's Dutch. I speak
Foot les français, Blaze. Foot les français, no Buddha. He finna kill you with French now since you got him with Dutch. Oh shit. C'est quoi ça, j'arrête ça?
I cheated in French. Remember, we're making a video, so French, you all, is he in this?
No, yeah, he can't see me. I'm here. I got you. You speak Dutch, English, or what else? Well, how many languages you speak?
Just in English and German, but Dutch and German is kind of similar.
You stayed in Germany before, Germany?
I lived in Germany.
Are we Trump?
Yeah, that's crazy.
You was born there?
I was born in New York, but I lived in the Netherlands since I was 1 year old. So, but I have dual citizenship.
Get out of here.
You could get out of here, yeah. Dual citizenship. This is my shooter right there. Yeah, this ain't Wale. Went down 6'9". Shoot your ass right in the eyeball. Yeah. Think it's. Instagram follow. Man, we go. So we going upstairs?